In my Algebra 1 class, I created a little experiment using some constant velocity cars that I picked up from Flynn Scientific. They're also on Amazon, and you can find them online for just $10 to $20. I decided to call this assignment the Flower Power Delivery Service because students have three situations where they're going to take these constant velocity cars and first create some type of trailer. Now, in my class, I used some paper plates and some string, and the students were able to um, use those materials to build some type of trailer. And then they measured the amount of time that it took to go a certain distance. Now, I had them do three different time trials and then do an average to figure out how long on average it would take to travel a certain distance. With nothing in the trailer, they did that four different times at four different distances. Then I had them add weight to their trailer and repeat the situation with four different distances and deciding how long it took to do each of those four distances and finding the average. They did it a third time at four different distances with a new weight in their trailer. Now, this allows us to then create a scatter plot for each scenario. So on one graph, the students end up with three different lines, and then it's awesome because they can then find a linear slope for each of those three situations. And since these are constant velocity cars, based on the accuracy of their data collection, they should end up with some really beautiful linear equations. So this turned out to be an excellent way for students to interact with linear equations and understand how a linear relationship applies to an actual situation. Have fun doing this experiment. It's a pretty low cost experiment to show students the application of algebra concepts.